The Dumbest Idea Ever by Jimmy Gownley. This is a fantastic book. It's by a Pennsylvania author. This is a graphic novel. This guy grew up and still lives in the Hazleton area. So here we go. What if the dumbest idea you ever had changed your life forever? I don't know. At 13, Jimmy was popular, at the top of his class, and the leading scorer on his basketball team. But all of that changes when chickenpox forced him to miss the championship game. Then things go from bad to worse because he gets pneumonia and misses even more school. Before Jimmy knows it, his grades are sinking and nothing is going right. How's he going to turn this around? Get his momentum back and maybe even land a date with the cutest girl in the school. I'll tell you how. The dumbest idea ever. Let's write a graphic novel about writing a graphic novel. The Dumbest Idea Ever by Jimmy Gownley. You guys will love it.